Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Temperature and dew point very close together. We have a 75 dew point, 76 air temperature, and that brings us a relative humidity, which is also very high, coming in at 97%. The southerly component to our east-southeast wind, that's the culprit. That's what's bringing up that humidity and warm, kind of muggy air across the region. Temperatures across the region fairly uniform. 78 degrees in Venice, 78 degrees in Arcadia, 78 degrees in Wauchula. A little cooler in Bradenton, Sarasota, and Parrish, coming in at 75 or 6 degrees. And Northport comes in at 78. Had a few showers around during the early morning hours, especially in areas just to the south of Arcadia, but they've since dampened out, and it's left us with a pretty decent start to the day. A little bit of cloud cover around, but high, thin clouds mostly, and just those warm morning temperatures. Otherwise, some scattered showers out in the Gulf. Stay out in the Gulf. The general trend is for that southerly component to continue. You can kind of make that out by the direction of those radar echoes, and that will continue to bring us a kind of a warm, humid afternoon. We'll probably see a sea breeze build and a few more showers ensue later on today. Got a lot of rainfall in the northeast this morning. If you're traveling in that direction, there'll probably be some airport delays, and there certainly will be some rain in the streets as you move around in the northeast this morning. Anywhere really from the Delmarva on up to down East Maine back toward the eastern Great Lakes has a chance of seeing some rain showers around. All a part of Nate's circulation and moisture interacting with a frontal boundary. Back to the west, snow showers, up to a foot of snow possible in parts of Colorado in through Wyoming today as a low pressure area kind of spins around here. Also the potential for some severe weather in parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, and Nebraska because of that low. For us, winds build out of the northeast over the next several days as high pressure builds in. That gives us a warm and humid afternoon today. But as those rain chances start to decrease as winds shift, we'll see some lower humidity in the forecast in the days ahead. The drier air is visible here on our water vapor imagery as this tan color, and it is just offshore. And it's a solid mass of dry air. And that will take the humid air that has been over us and kind of replace it with this drier air, basically eliminating our rain chances as we head into the rest of the work week. So for the next several days, we pick up some showers, but not a whole lot. Most of us see less than half-inch rainfalls over the next several days. Couple of tropical systems. Number 17, newly formed out in the far Atlantic, moves further and further away from land. Not an issue for anyone. And Nate, a tropical depression, will soon be absorbed and become extratropical by a frontal boundary meandering through the Ohio Valley. Southeast wind comes in today with a little bit of a sea breeze. Nice boating day, light chop on bay and inland waters. And the official Suncoast forecast calls for a 30% rain chance today, but decreasing to really vanishing amounts as we head into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday as some drier air moves in.